How to tell if your cockatiel is female or male. The cheeks. The male red cheeks are normally much more saturated than the females. The wings. Female wings normally have dots on them. You can only see them on their flight wings. Males don't have these. The tail. Females have a little zigzag on the bottom of their tail, but males don't have any. The face. A male's face is usually nice and bright yellow, but females, their head is a bit more darker with only a smidge bit of yellow. The voice. Males can sing much easier than females, so if you hear your cockatiel singing, that'll probably be a sign of a male.